Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create the art zoom effects video, the TikTok trend using Capcut. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Capcut and then import your video clips and your music track like this. Now adjust each clip so the duration match the beat of the music like this. And then just go to the very beginning of your clips, of your first clips like this. And then just take a screenshot of that frame and then just clean it up if needed like this. We will use that screenshot to make the earth zoom effects. Next, right now many AI tools can generate these effects like Higgsfield, Pixverse or Dreamface and many more. And for this tutorial we will use Dreamface. And don't worry, Dreamface will give you a free weekly credits, so you don't have to pay anything. So let's open the Dreamface and then just go to Magic Effects and then just choose Earth Zoom In, this one, and then just upload the screenshot that we just took. And then just click Create. Like this, and after that just save the video by tap on the download button and then just go back to the CapCut and then just place the generated earth zoom clips at the beginning of your first video clips like this, and then just adjust the duration so it fits smoothly like this. And then let's make it more dynamic. Just add a keyframes at the start and end of each clips like this. And then add the ending keyframes. Just zoom in slightly like this. And then just apply the graph to these clips to make the animations more smooth. Just tap on the graph icon. And then just choose flow to this one. Just click on it. Like this. And then just repeat this step for all clips. Like this. And then just add a shake transitions between each clips. Just search for shake. This one, this one, just tap on it. And then just apply to all. Like this. And then just add a shake effect at the start of every clip like this. Just go to effects and then search for shake effect. This one. Adjust the durations. Maybe like this, and then just go to objects, this one, and then choose all videos. And then just add keyframes at the start of the effects and end of the effects. Like this. And then just lower the effect speed to 0 at the last keyframes like this. After that, just copy these effects and paste it to all clips. Like this. And let's play the video. It will look like this. The final result will look like this. And that's it. Your final video will have the final earth zoom TikTok effect like this. It's clean, smooth, and trending. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.